Did you know that one of Asia's most shocking murders was committed with a strawberry milkshake? Nancy Kissel seemed like the perfect American wife living in luxury Hong Kong. But on November 2nd, 2003, she had a deadly plan. She made her investment banker husband Robert his favorite strawberry milkshake, but this one was different. She had loaded it with powerful sleeping drugs. After Robert drank it and collapsed, Nancy grabbed a heavy metal ornament and beat him to death. Then came the most chilling part. For hours, she carefully wrapped his body in a carpet and dragged it to their apartment balcony. She spent the next few days cleaning blood, acting completely normal and fooling everyone around her. But her secret affair with a TV repairman had given her the motive. When police finally discovered Robert's rotting body, the wealthy expat community was horrified. Nancy's trial revealed just how calculated this murder was. The exact drugs she used, the meticulous planning, and how she nearly got away with it. A strawberry milkshake had become the weapon that destroyed the perfect life.